Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the Final VR500 wired in-ear headphones. These are touted as budget-friendly yet packing a punch in performance. Let's see if they live up to the hype. Starting with the design, the Final VR500 keeps things simple and practical. They feature an ABS resin construction that feels solid yet lightweight at just 15 grams. The cable is 1.2 meters long, which is adequate for most uses, and it's made of oxygen-free copper for better audio transmission. The earbuds themselves come with 5 sizes of silicone ear tips, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for various ear shapes. The single-button inline remote with a microphone is a handy addition for calls and basic controls. Now, let's talk about what matters most: the sound quality. The VR500 boasts 6.4mm dynamic drivers, and they deliver surprisingly good sound for their price range. They excel in clarity and detail retrieval, offering an open and spacious soundstage that enhances both music and gaming experiences. In terms of performance, they handle highs and mids exceptionally well, providing crisp vocals and detailed instrument separation. However, if you're a bass enthusiast, you might find them slightly lacking in deep bass impact. Though the bass they do produce is clear and detailed. I tested these across various genres from rock to electronic. And they held up admirably, maintaining fidelity and not muddying up even in complex tracks. Moving on to user experience, wearing the VR500 for extended periods is comfortable thanks to their lightweight and ergonomic design. The tangle-resistant cable is a nice touch for everyday usability. The inclusion of the microphone and remote makes them versatile for both music playback and taking calls on the go. They work seamlessly with both smartphones and laptops, offering good compatibility across devices. So, are the Final VR500 worth your hard-earned money? Absolutely. At their price point, they deliver impressive build quality, excellent sound performance, and a comfortable fit, making them a solid choice for anyone looking for affordable wired-in-ear headphones. In conclusion, if you're on a budget but still want headphones that punch above their weight in terms of audio quality and design, the Final VR500 should definitely be on your radar. They might not be the absolute best in bass-heavy genres, but for overall balanced sound and usability, they're hard to beat at this price. That wraps up our review of the Final VR500. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.